Here's how to reset your Snapchat Discover feed. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. If you're bored with the content you see, you can reset it to new things. Here are a few ways to do it. One is to simply refresh your Discover feed. Drag down from the top of the Discover page or simply select the Discover page feed icon. Wait a moment and you'll see Discover feed change with the new content. Another way is through your settings. So tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. And then after, select your settings. Here, scroll all the way down and go to the section of account actions and select clear cache. Then tap on continue to confirm. This will sometimes reset the suggested content and most personalization of your public content feed. Now go ahead and close the Snapchat application from the background and reopen it. And when you return to the Discover page, it will be refreshed with the new content. Or you can also go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application, tap on the eye icon to go to its app info, scroll down, select storage, and click on clear cache. And if you want to fully restart the Snapchat application, you can tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm. And after that, go ahead and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.